Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and I'm here to talk about our brand new release. It's coming very soon. This is the Midnight Coven Collection. So yes, we have witches, we have rats, we have pumpkins, we have chapels and gravestones. So lots of exciting things coming up. My favourite time of year, anything to do with Halloween. So I have totally enjoyed designing this collection, and I just wanted to share some of the makes with you today. As you can see, I've been a busy bee and not been able to put these stamps down, and just want to share some of the makes with you. So we have our lovely star moth. This is our new fairy, and we've got two new crows, Poe and Noctis. We have a scarecrow. This is Harlan. And we have a couple of different hat choices. So we have our topper and we also have the witch hat. We've got our two tiny little me's down the bottom there. And then, yeah, we've got our chapel. This is Blackthorn Chapel. So I've done this lots of different ways. And we've got our little tiny scarecrow. This is Hob. So effective on grey card. I just think it really pops. The contrast is so lovely. Back to Star Moth. And we've got our lovely witch. This is Nerissa. So she comes in large and small, one going one way, one going the other, depending on, you know, what you want to do. Whether you want it to be a full focal point or something a little in the distance. And we have our lovely Percival rat here. And these are all different techniques that I've applied with the stamps. And I'm going to be doing quite a few videos, different tutorials to share with you guys over the next few weeks. So do keep your eyes peeled. We've got our large scarecrow, Harlan. Stamped onto backing paper this as well. I think that's quite a nice effect. Sometimes I forget, you know, you forget that you have stuff in your craft stash. Just a nice, really quick, easy background to stamp straight onto. Very quick card. Using some of our stickers here as well, sort of mix and match. And here's our little witch, Sabella. So lots of techniques coming up. I just wanted to share these with you guys. The creatives have done an amazing job. So keep your eyes peeled for their makes as well. Absolutely stunning. Such an exciting collection. So hope you feel inspired, guys. You take care and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. We've got a watercolor tag here, and we're going to use elements. We're going to use Anna Banana, Marmalade and Mermaid to create a lovely coloured background for us to stamp our brand new stamps on the top. I'm going to start with Anna Banana,